Welcome back. Embracing the AI transformation in 2024. As we advance into 2024, the influence of artificial intelligence, AI, across various industries continues to expand dramatically. This technological progression, while offering numerous advantages, also brings forth significant challenges, particularly in terms of job security and the evolving nature of work. In this era of rapid AI advancement, it's crucial for professionals to strategize on safeguarding their careers against potential erosion by AI. This article aims to delve into effective strategies that can help professionals adapt and excel in a workplace increasingly dominated by AI. The AI paradigm shift in the professional world. The narrative of AI in 2024 is not just about automation and efficiency, but also about the integration of advanced AI capabilities in decision-making, creative processes, and problem-solving. Understanding and adapting to this shift is key to thriving in the professional landscape molded by AI. Strategies to stay ahead in 2024's AI-driven market. Lifelong learning and skill development. Continuously update your skill set to align with the evolving AI landscape. Prioritize learning in AI-related fields and understand its application in your industry. Cultivating AI complementary skills. AI may excel in many areas, but it cannot replicate human creativity, emotional intelligence, and complex problem-solving. Focus on enhancing these skills. Adapting to emerging roles. AI will create new niches and roles. Stay informed and be open to transitioning into these emerging areas, which may include AI ethics management, AI integration specialists, and more. Building digital competency. Irrespective of your current role, developing a strong foundation in digital skills and AI literacy is imperative. Collaboration with AI technologies. Understand how to work synergistically with AI tools and platforms, leveraging them to enhance your work efficiency and output. Staying informed on industry trends. Keep abreast of how AI is shaping your sector. Anticipate changes and be proactive in preparing for them. Professional networking in the AI realm. Engage with networks and communities focused on AI. These connections can provide valuable insights and opportunities. Conclusion. Navigating the AI wave with confidence. The journey through 2024 and beyond in an AI-infused professional world shouldn't be one of apprehension, but of strategic adaptation and growth. By embracing education, developing indispensable human skills, and understanding AI's role in our industries, we can transform the challenge of AI into an opportunity for personal and professional development. This proactive approach will not only safeguard our careers from the disruptive nature of AI, but will also position us to leverage its capabilities to our advantage. If you find this guide to navigating the professional challenges posed by AI in 2024 insightful, please like and share your thoughts in the comments. Your engagement is crucial in fostering a community that is well prepared for the future. Don't forget to subscribe for more content on thriving in an AI-driven professional landscape. For additional resources and learning opportunities, check out the description below. Let's collaboratively embrace the AI revolution, turning its challenges into stepping stones for success. Stay positive and look forward to the next video.